Singer Easy Repair. It is important that you take safety precautions when following what we instruct on Easy Repair. Therefore, one or more of these icons will be displayed on screen as an indication of when and where you need to be the most precautious. Today on Easy Repair, let's find out how to remove and clean the water inlet filter of a washing machine. The inlet filter filters the water that comes into the washing machine. It's located at the inlet of the machine. First, close the water supply and loosen this plastic nut. Then remove the inlet hose. Do you see the little blue color part here? This is the inlet filter and it can contain residue that gets collected. Use a pair of pointed pliers to remove it gently like this. Can you see the white residue around the filter? In order to have a steady supply of water, we need to clean this out. Use a toothbrush to clean it while holding it under a steady flow of water. Now we can reattach this filter. Use a pair of pointed pliers like before. Then check the washer and reattach the inlet hose too. Then tighten this big plastic nut to fix the inlet hose to the washing machine. Now you can open the water supply again.